Hello dreamers, today I'll be showing you how I made these granny square crochet wrist warmers. I had these leftover 6 round double crochet granny squares, so I thought I'd turn them into something new. And I have a granny square tutorial on how I made these squares. So I took 2 large 6 round granny squares, using the same yarn as the last round. I inserted it into the corner to work across, creating 3 half double crochet clusters into each space. So you'll be creating 3 half double crochet and a chain 1 in between each space. Once you're done the row, you're going to turn it around, and then you're going to take the last stitch and connect it to the first stitch. I just slip stitch to connect them. Then I chained 1 and I begin to create 1 single crochet stitch into each of the stitches, going all around. And this is how the top of your warmers will look. And now you're going to turn it inside out, and you're going to attach it going right down the row. With a yarn needle, I just attached each stitch to one another, attaching vertically down the row. Now turning them the right side, and I'll be rejoining my hook at the opposite side of the wrist warmers, and I'll be working 1 half double crochet into each stitch, going around the entire opening. Now for the second round, I'll be creating a decrease, so I'll be creating half double crochets into 2 stitches. And into every third stitch, I'll be creating the decrease with half double crochet 2 stitches together. And just repeat the same method for the other wrist warmers, and now you're done.